Welcome to a video here with SirMaloPerformance. Today I'm working on the 2017 Nissan Titan. So what happened with me while driving down the road is I took out my fog light. A little chipped how that looks versus original here. So we got the bulb on that one, and this is what I have ordered. It's been sitting on the bench for I want to say a year now, and that's what that's looking like. And I think they're universal. I have the other one up there somewhere next to this one. So let's go ahead and take care of this, guys. Let me try to get you guys a close-up. So this is a passenger side fog light. These look like 10mm bolts. Got one over here, and I got another one on the opposite side. Yeah, one down here on the bottom right-hand corner, and then I just felt another one up here. All right, so three bolts. Let's get to it. Let me see if I can get you guys a better view. I think that's as good as it's gonna get. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get this knocked out. Again, here's the other fog light. Let's get up there. So I got my 10mm deep socket. Oh, those are coming off like butter. It is I don't know if it's yeah, it's on metal, but I mean the fog light itself, the housing is just plastic. Sorry to block the view, I need to see as well. So I got one up here in the corner, and I got another one down here. So two towards the outside of the bumper, and then one on the upper right hand corner. Let's see if I can just take off the socket, just twist it by hand. Oh yeah, I think it's a pull up tab. So instead of pushing down into the fog light, you're pulling away from the fog light. Yeah, it is. It is one of those. Yeah, you just pull away, like so. You're pulling towards your wheel, and it pretty much unhooked. So that's what that clip looks like, just so you guys can get a visual of that. Right? Perfect. And then you can twist to your left, right? See, to unhook the bulb. And of course, this is my bulb. I'm not going to replace the bulb. I have to replace the whole housing, because you'll see right now in just a second. I just take off this upper 10mm. Using a deep socket, you can reach in here right behind the fender wall, so I don't have to remove anything. I just literally crawled down here. I've been down here, like I said, changing the oil. Okay, there's the other bolt. You guys heard that fall. Working on my last one. Lefty loosey. Yeah, I'm working on a 2005 Chevy Silverado. It's a little single cab, my brother's. It's what we thought was going to be a 5.3 rebuild. That ended up being a 4.8, what we originally wanted. And I stuck a little small cam in it, a little baby cam. A single stage prototype from SirMaloPerformance, but let's continue with this. So here is my fog light, right? So I literally took it out like this. So here we are. And here's my new fog light. It has the same little mounting tabs here. Everything's looking the same. And yeah, has the adjuster, this little wing nut adjuster. That's pretty much it. So it's looking good. It's not broken. Bull crap. This thing fell off already. Already this thing is breaking. Alright, so it's nice and visible here, so you guys can see. Nice and shot through. Let me go ahead and use that stud on there. It'd be nice if it had an opposite stud and then just the two bolts, you know, opposite from each other. I think that would have worked out more than fine. I mean, it's a fog light. It doesn't weigh a whole lot, and these two 10mm bolts, oh man, this thing's already falling apart. These 2 10mm bolts would be more than enough to hold it down. All right, guys, so I'm working on the button. Lose that. All right, and then my clip. Probably upgrade these to HIDs. This is a new bulb, so that's what that's looking like. It says it's an H11. I think I have some HIDs that are H11s, to be honest with you. All right, but that's pretty much it, guys. It's installed. That looks pretty good. I mean, I know it's not OEM, but that's looking good. That's my original. It looks kind of pale and dim, and there's that. And this is a 2017 Nissan Titan. an SV model. I don't know if that matters or not, but if you got fog lights, that was pretty much it for this build today. 3 10mm bolts, remove the fog light out, went back in. The old one is out, which is right here. Other than that, please like and subscribe and continue following SirMaloPerformance. I have plenty of content on my channel. Go ahead and check it out. Take care, guys. Peace.